All right, good day, guys, and welcome. So, I have this question from JAMB 1988, question 12, where we are asked to simplify x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 minus x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. So, quickly we dive into this by writing solution. Write solution. Thereafter, I'll copy out our expression. We have x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 minus x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. Now, our denominators are x plus 1 and x plus 2. Since they are different terms, the LCM for these in solving this becomes bracket open x plus 1 bracket close bracket open x plus 2 bracket close. So we proceed to solve this, and we have our LCM bracket open x plus 1 bracket close bracket open x plus 2 bracket close. Now bracket open x plus 1 bracket close bracket open x plus 2 bracket close divided by x plus 1. This will cancel out x plus 1, will be left with x plus 2. So x plus 2 times x plus 2, we have bracket open x plus 2, bracket close, bracket open x plus 2, bracket close, bring a minus sign. Now we have bracket open x plus 1, bracket close, bracket open x plus 2, bracket close, divided by x plus 2. And this cancels out x plus 2. We're left with x plus 1. So we proceed to multiply our x plus 1 times x minus 2 rather. So we end up having bracket open x minus 2 bracket close bracket open x plus 1 bracket close. Now we proceed with our solving, and we have bracket open x plus 2 bracket close times bracket open x plus 2 bracket close. Now x times x, we have x squared. X times 2, we have plus 2x. Now 2 plus 2 times x, we have plus 2x. And we have 2 times 2 gives us plus 4 minus bracket open. We have bracket open x minus 2 bracket close, bracket open x plus 1 bracket close, multiply themselves, and we have x times x gives us x squared, x times plus 1 gives us plus x, minus 2 times x gives us minus 2x, minus 2 times 1 gives us minus 2, bracket close, all divided by bracket open x plus 1 bracket close bracket open x plus 2 bracket close. Now this is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 2x gives us plus 4x plus 4. All right, we have a minus bracket open. All right, we have our x squared here, and plus x minus 2x ends up giving us minus x. All right, minus 2 bracket close. These are divided by brackets open x plus 1 bracket close bracket open x plus 2 bracket close. Now this in turn is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4, and we have minus times x squared, we'll have minus x squared, minus times minus x, we have plus x, minus times minus 2, we have plus 2. All right, these are divided by brackets open x plus 1 bracket close bracket open, x plus 2, bracket close. I will continue that solving. We have x squared and minus x. Now we collect like terms. We have x squared minus x squared. Both eliminate themselves. We have plus 4x plus x. That gives us 5x. 5x. All right. We have plus 4 plus 2. That gives us a plus 6. And this divided by bracket open, x plus 1 bracket close, bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close as our final answer. Thank you.